Greetings from Indian Medical Association. I am Dr. K.K. Agarwal, Honorary Secretary General IMA and President Heart Care Foundation of India. All over the world, India has initiated 21st of June as the International Yoga Day, which has been accepted by the UN also. Lots of MBBS doctors ask, is yoga a scientific medicine? Is it a part of modern medicine or not? The answer is yes. In modern medicines, you talk about two systems of nervous system, that is sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and both comes a part of autonomic nervous system. We all know sympathetic nervous system is wear and tear system, where adrenaline, noradrenaline increases, your heart rate increases, your blood pressure increases, your skin resistance increases, the cortisol level changes in the body. And this wear and tear causes damage to the body. Therefore, this is not a healing mode. But sympathetic mode is required whenever you are in an emergency situation. On the contrary, parasympathetic mode is a healing mode. Here the blood pressure reduces, the pulse reduces, the skin resistance changes. And in a parasympathetic mode, you have slower and deeper breathing. It relaxes your body. You go into a state of restful alertness. And this parasympathetic state of mind is the healing state of mind. Therefore, everyone, we require both sympathetic and parasympathetic mode. But in a routine life, we should be more towards a parasympathetic mode. And the science and the therapy and the postures and the breathing, everything, any activity which shifts you from sympathetic to parasympathetic mode and keeps you in a parasympathetic mode is called yoga. So yoga is nothing but a mind-body medicine, a mind-body interaction, focusing on the object of concentration and giving preference to the object of concentration over the thoughts. That's what yoga is. So therefore, yoga is nothing but a parasympathetic lifestyle which includes parasympathetic breathing, that is slower and deeper breathing, parasympathetic asanas or postures which stimulates your areas where the endocrine glands is, the skin over those areas. And it also, apart from that, it also has a parasympathetic conscious living. That means whatever you live, you concentrate on your five senses. While eating, concentrate on your five senses. That means yoga is against multitasking. Jai International Yoga Day.